Imagine you're Lisa, charged with writing a crucial user manual for a cutting-edge medical device. Deadlines tight, your readers, doctors worldwide, tech-savvy and rushed. How do you craft clear, compelling instructions that cross cultures, languages, and tech platforms? This challenge, making complex info simple and accessible, is exactly where Laura J. Gurak's strategies for technical communication in the workplace shines. But what does it really take to write for the modern, global workplace? Let's dive in. You've got a purpose that matters, but how do you sharpen your message so it cuts through noise? It's not just about writing, it's about writing smart with focus and clarity. Lisa's manual for a breakthrough blood glucose monitor didn't just list steps, she prioritized what nurses would actually need on the floor while under pressure. By anticipating confusion points, her clear diagrams and concise bullet lists became a go-to resource. The device rollout was a success because her writing saved precious seconds in emergencies. Think of your words as tools. Precision writing is a scalpel, each word carefully chosen to carve meaning and avoid waste. Clumsy phrases, they're sledgehammers smashing through attention spans and leaving readers lost. Laura Gurak compares this to navigating a dense forest. You want a compass, not a machete, guiding readers swiftly and safely. When docs find instructions easy to follow, frustration plummets and trust spikes. Clear communication doesn't just solve problems, it transforms users into advocates, advocates into repeat customers. That ripple effect is the secret power of focused technical writing you'd never guess at first glance. In today's workplace, your audience isn't local, it spans countries and cultures. So how do you make sure your message lands perfectly from Tokyo to Toronto without losing its edge? In Chapter 2, Gurak walks us through how single words or idioms can trip up non-native speakers. For example, a tech memo from a Chicago software firm used slang like big deal, but overseas teams misunderstood it as a serious issue, causing unnecessary alarm. Effective technical communication adapts to diverse cultural frames, never assuming everyone shares your jargon. Remember those endless email threads, wikis, and instant messages we send daily? The book dives deep into weaving these digital tools into your workplace writing. Gurak highlights how tone shifts in a blog post versus a formal report are as different as jazz is from classical music. You need to master the language of each platform to keep your message alive and clear. Inclusivity in communication isn't just about ticking boxes. It means crafting docs that respect different literacy levels, disabilities, and learning styles. By ensuring accessibility, like using alt text for images or clear fonts, your writing reaches the widest, most diverse audience possible, turning potential barriers into bridges. Theory's great, but nothing beats rolling up your sleeves and doing the work. Gurak's approach centers on hands-on writing to build skills fast and reliably. When you flip through chapters 9 to 17, you don't just see polished documents. You get annotated versions exposing why certain headings work, how tone shifts subtly, and where readers' eyes naturally travel. It's like having a masterclass inside your textbook, revealing the writer's secret hacks one sentence at a time. Checklists could be the unsung heroes of workplace writing. Gurak shows how a simple list of must-dos before sending a report, like verifying data sources, double-checking tone, and confirming format, can cut errors and embarrassing lookbacks by over 50%. It's the writer's safety net and confidence booster. Maybe the best trick, application exercises at each chapter's end. These aren't busy work but real-life tasks asking you to write emails, memos, or proposals based on realistic scenarios. By practicing, you turn abstract concepts into muscle memory, so at crunch time you don't freeze, you write like a pro. Remember Lisa, the clock was ticking, but she nailed her manual by writing with razor-sharp focus, adapting her tone for global users, and leaning on proven templates and exercises. That's the magic Gurak shares. Technical communication isn't dry jargon, it's crafting a lifeline to your audience. Try this next document you write, stop before you start and ask, who's really reading this? Then write just for them. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.